Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of 7th and 8th problems from exercise 9.1 from NCERT from applications of trigonometry class 10. This is 7th problem. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. So if you see here, this is the building and the height of the building is given, that is 20 meters. So 20-meter high building, and a transmission tower is on the top of this building. So this is the top of the tower and this is the bottom of the tower. And if you see from a point on the ground level, this is the ground level. And if you take a point, for example, here A is the point. If you see from this point to bottom of the tower, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. And to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. See here, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top. Bottom is 45 degrees and top is 60 degrees. So these two angles are given. And the height of the building is also given. We have to find height of the tower. If you see here, there are two right triangles. This is one triangle and this is one more triangle. And for these two triangles, this is the common side. AD is the common side and this is height of this building. And we have to find this height. So this is opposite side and this is adjacent side for these two angles. So we have to take the trigonometric ratio of tan theta. So first to take this triangle in triangle ACD. First take this triangle. In triangle ACD, tan 45 degrees. You can see from here, tan 45 degrees is equal to CD by AD. So CD is height of this building, that is 20 meters. So CD by AD. Tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to 20 by AD. Therefore, AD is equal to 20 meters. So this distance AD is equal to 20 meters. Next, take this triangle, big triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, you can see from this triangle ABD, tan 60 degrees is equal to BD by AD. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to BD by AD is 20 meters. So 20. Therefore, BD is equal to 20 into root 3, 20 root 3 meters. So once you calculate BD, BD is this height. BD is this height. So we have to find BC. We know CD value also. So BC is equal to BD minus CD. BC is nothing but height of the tower. So height of the tower BC is equal to BD minus CD. BD minus CD. That is equal to BD is 20 root 3. 20 root 3 minus CD is height of the building. That is 20 minus 20. That is equal to, here 20 is common. So 20 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Either you can write like this, or you can write root 3 is 1.732. So you can write instead of root 3, 20 into 1.732 minus 1. That is 20 into 0.732. That is equal to 14.64 meters. So this is the height of the tower. This is 8th problem. A statue 1.6 meters tall stands on the top of a pedestal. So here the statue 1.6 meters height. The height of the statue is given, that is 1.6 meters, and it stands on a pedestal. See here, this is the pedestal and this is a statue. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. If you take a point on the ground, so if you see the top of the statue, this is the top of the statue, that angle of elevation with the ground is 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. From the same point, if you see the top of the pedestal, this is top of the pedestal and this is top of the statue. So this angle is 45 degrees. Top of the pedestal is 45 degrees and to the top of the statue is 60 degrees. So these two angle elevations are given. Find the height of the pedestal. So we have to find the height of the pedestal. This height you have to find, that is CD. So BC is given and these two angles are given. We have to find CD. This is also similar to 7th problem. So you have to take the trigonometric ratio of tan theta here also, because this is opposite side and this is a common side of these two triangles AD. So take the first triangle in triangle ACD. See here, in triangle ACD, tan 45 degrees is equal to CD by AD. So tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to CD by AD. Therefore, CD is equal to AD. So CD is equal to AD. If you take the second triangle, that is ABD, this triangle ABD, this is 60 degrees. So in triangle ABD, tan 60 is equal to BD by AD. That is root 3 is equal to tan 60 is root 3 is equal to BD by CD, BD by AD. So AD is equal to CD. So you can write BD by AD is CD. So CD, BD by CD. Therefore, BD is equal to root 3 CD. And here BD is BC plus CD. See here BC plus CD because you have to find CD value. So BD you can write as BC plus CD. So now instead of BD you can write as BC plus CD, that is equal to root 3 CD. So BC is equal to root 3 CD minus CD. Therefore BC is equal to, here CD is common. So CD into root 3 minus 1, that is BC. And CD is equal to, from this you can write CD is equal to BC by root 3 minus 1. So if you rationalize the denominator here, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with root 3 plus 1. So here BC value is given, that is height of the statue. BC is equal to 1.6. See here. This is height BC. BC is height of the statue. So that is 1.6 that is given. Therefore, CD is equal to BC by root 3 minus 1, that is 1.6 by root 3 minus 1 into, if you rationalize the denominator, into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1, that is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by, here this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square, that is root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1, that is 2. The denominator 2 and here 1.6. So 2 ones are 2. 0.8 are 1.6. Therefore, CD is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters. You can leave like this, or you can write root 3 value, that is 1.732 meters. So 0.8 into 1.732 plus 1, that is equal to 2.2 meters. Either you can write 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters or 2.2 meters. Therefore, height of the pedestal CD is equal to 2.2 meters. Now practice these questions. And here are the answers.